see that? I'm gonna do that on the channel.
I found it.
But
I found something called.
wait, Ty. Isa is cheating.
No, I didn't.
Kasi hinulog mo na eh.
Wala po akong hinulog.
O yun sa paa mo.
Nung nahulog, bigla ako sa the wind.
Wait, your fault. Just your gut now, so I won't.
It was in your head. It fell down. And I didn't saw that. But I still.
I'm gonna watch later.
I think I saw some white thing.
If I use. Okay. So this is a part 2 and
Round
I
two.
really save again. Okay. So it's a last one. Ay, huwag mo na hawakin.
Separate ko nga eh.
Nilalapin. Kita.
Excuse me, I feel your hand.
Hindi na po.
Ah!
Wait lang, may na-pull.
Huh?
This is chicken.
Excuse me.
Quite good. Okay.
Happy fell.
You have
my
a few
goodness.
there. But that's okay.
1, 2, 3, 4. I only use 5.
So, nakat.
Because it, di ba ginanon ko ng ano ko? So, I need to separate.
Don't touch it.
Now, I need to hold that.
Yeah.
This is to be recognized.
But she likes video.
She likes video.
What?
She likes to make videos. Are you sure you can do that?
Hello.
Oh, wait. Right. Now they can see your feet. I'm not joking.
It's gonna be the same thing. Or help her.
Oh, no.
No.
It's nothing. And hold it for one. Gabs is very tired for the first from the from the first round.
Oh my God. Nahali na ako. Like 5.
Okay. I found something.
Okay.
From the first scoop, you got nothing. I'm not joking. So I
Isa won in part 2, but me
Gabs
won.
won. So 1. Me 2.
So we're gonna do a part 3. That's what happened.
I'm cutting.
I'm not gonna make video of me out.
I'll make the part.
So let's go bye guys, and please subscribe and please check the Gabs and Brochure. Bye.